Hello student, now see some question of the expansion. This is last exercise of the expansion. You will see this question number 19. Question you see 19 not matter. This is the x plus 1 upon x equal to 2. Then prove that x square plus 1 upon x square, x cube plus 1 upon x cube, or x raised to power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to power 4 all are equal. Hence, you will find the first x plus 1 upon x whole square. So 2 square, the x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 equal to 4. So x square plus 1 upon x square equal to 2. Now, for x cube plus 1 upon x cube, what you will do here? X plus 1 upon x whole cube you will take. The x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3 x plus 1 upon x equal to 8. The x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3 into 2 equal to 8. The x cube plus 1 upon x cube equal to 2. This is clear? Now, you want to get the solution of x raised to power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to power 4. How can you get this? By squaring of this value. You will take the square of the x square plus 1 upon x square whole square equal to 2 square, because this value is x square plus 1 upon x square equal to 2. The x raised to power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to power 4 plus 2 equal to 4. X raised to power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to power 4 equal to 2. So what do you got in the last? X square plus 1 upon x square equal to x cube plus 1 upon x cube equal to x raised to power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to power 4 equal to 2. This is clear? Now, you will see the question number 23. Question number 23. It is given here x square plus 1 upon x square equal to 27. Find the value of x minus 1 upon x. तो सिंपल सी बात है, x minus 1 upon x its square will take, you will get this part. So better you take the square of x minus 1 upon x. This is good. You take the whole square. So you expand x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. Then it will be, what is value? 27 plus 2 equal to 29. So x minus 1 upon x equal to plus minus under root 29. Okay, now see the question number 26. Here one more thing you will see. If you have got x minus 1 upon x, then you can get x cube plus 1 upon x cube minus 1 upon x whole cube also. You can get x cube plus 1 upon x cube, that also you can get. By help of this, you can get x raised to power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to power 4. By help of this also you can get. So do the practice of all type of the questions. Question number 26. X square plus 1 upon 4x square equal to 8. You will get the x cube plus 1 upon 8x cube. You will see this. This is first number. Second number 1 upon 2x whole square equal to 8. Better if we take the perfect square of x plus 1 upon 2x का whole square. X plus 1 upon 2x whole square. X square plus 1 upon 4x square plus 2 into x into 1 upon 4x. Or this value will be 8 or then it will be 2. 8 plus 1 by 2. Then it will be 17 by 2. So x plus 1 upon 2x equal to plus minus under root 70 by 2. After that you will get the x cube plus 1 upon 8x cube. Yes, this is the second number. By mistake it is written here 4x. So this will be 2x. 2 cancel. Or now it will be 1. It will become the 9. X plus 1 upon 2x equal to plus minus 3. It is clear? Okay. Now we'll see the how can you get this value. You will take cube of the x plus 1 upon 2x whole cube equal to plus minus 3 this cube. You will take this. Clear? So you will take the x cube plus 1 upon 8x cube plus 3 into first number x into second number 1 upon 2x, x plus 1 upon 2x equal to plus minus 27. Correct? What is this value? Oh, we want to get this value. Okay. X cube plus 1 upon 8 x cube plus this cancel 3 by 2 or x plus 1 upon 2x equal to plus minus 3 equal to plus minus 27. So that will be x cube plus 1 upon 8x cube equal to plus minus 27 or this will be 9 or plus minus, you can write minus plus, not matter this, 9 by 2. Clear? Or then you simplify it. So this simplification will be 27 into 2, 54 minus 9, 45 plus minus 45 by 2 plus minus 22 and 1 by 2. Suppose you are getting problem to solve this in this way, plus minus here, so better you take one time this value will be 3 separately, again you take this value will be minus 3 and separately you will solve, you will get the value. One time you will get the plus 22 and 1 by 2 and when you take the minus, you will take the minus 22 and 1 by 2. This is clear? So you will see the next question. Question number 27, 28. This is the very good question or important question. 27, you see, a square minus 3a plus 1 equal to 0. Find the value of a square plus 1 upon a square, a cube plus 1 upon a cube. If you are getting this type of question, what you do? Both sides are divided by by a, तो a minus 3 plus 1 by a equal to 0, a plus 1 by a equal to 3, then you will get the a square. You want to get a square plus 1 upon a square, you will take the squaring on both sides. A plus 1 upon a whole square equal to 3 square. So a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2 equal to 9. So a square plus 1 upon a square equal to 7. This is clear? You want to get a cube plus 1 upon a cube. So a plus 1 upon a, its whole cube will take. इसका whole cube लोगे 3 cube. तो a cube plus 1 upon a cube plus 3a plus 1 by a equal to 27. So a cube plus 1 upon a cube plus 3 into, what is value of a plus 1 by a? 3 equal to 27. So a cube plus 1 upon a cube equal to 27 minus 9 equal to 18. Okay, this is clear. So in this way you will try to solve the questions up to 29. Now see the question number 30. Not the 30, maybe in your book this number is another number. So see the question. You see the question number जो भी हो. Now see the question. X equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. This is an old book. In the old book, this is given question number 30. How can you find the root x plus 1 upon root x? बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. तो root x plus 1 upon root x की वैल्यू कैसे निकालेंगे? तो better you take a square on both sides. तो क्या आएगा? This square will be x. This square will be 1 upon x और then plus 2. तो 1 upon x first you find 1 upon 5 minus 2 root 6. Clear? You will take the conjugate of numerator and denominator. 5 plus 2 root 6 upon 5 minus 2 root 6 into 5 plus 2 root 6. हमने क्या किया? इसके कॉन्जुगेट को हमने ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया है कि डिनोमिनेटर जो है वो रेशनल नंबर हो जाए. 5 plus 2 root 6 और the 5 square a minus b a plus b. 5 square 25 और 2 root 6 square will be 24. That will be 5 plus 2 root 6. Clear? Now you will take a square on, you will write the square of this value. तो क्या हो जाएगा? This square will be x, this square will be 1 upon x और plus 2 into first number into second number, then it will be 2. इसकी वैल्यू, x की वैल्यू क्या है? 5 minus 2 root 6, 1 upon x plus 5 plus 2 root 6 plus 2. This and this cancel, 10, 12. Then we can write under root x plus 1 upon under root x equal to plus minus 2 root 3. This is clear? Okay. By help of this, sometimes it will be asked, suppose this value is asked, it will be asked find the x plus 1 upon x, it will be asked x minus 1 upon x, then it may be asked x square plus 1 upon x square. This any question will be asked. Okay. Now question number 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. All are the same type of question. So 31, 32, 33. One question I am going to solve. Question number 32. A plus B plus C whole square equal to 12 square, because A plus B plus C is given, A plus B plus C is given 12. Clear? What will be this result? A square plus B square plus C square. This is clear? Then plus 2 AB plus BC plus CA. Clear? So implies that you write this value will be 144. What are given here? Here it is given A plus B plus C equal to 12. Find the value of AB plus BC plus CA. And what other value are given? A square plus B square plus C square equal to 100 given. This will be 100 plus 2AB plus BC plus CA equal to 144. So AB plus BC plus CA equal to 44. So AB plus BC plus CA equal to 22. This is clear? So by this formula, by help of the formula A plus B plus C whole square, what will be this? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 in bracket AB plus BC plus CA. You can do the question. In the old book it is given 31, 32 and 33. Now 34 also you can do. '34 you will see from old book. A plus B minus C equal to 5, or A square plus B square plus C square equal to 29. Then find the value of AB minus BC minus CA की value निकालना. You will find this value. Okay. What you will do? You will take the square of this. A plus B plus C whole square. A square plus B square plus C square minus, plus 2 AB BC then minus BC, CA then minus CA, or then you substitute the value, you will get your solution. Or this square will be 5 square 25, or this will be 29 plus 2 AB minus BC minus CA minus 4 equal to 2 AB minus BC minus CA. So AB minus BC minus CA equal to minus 2. This is clear? Here one more question is given. A minus B equal to 7, or A square plus B square equal to 85. This is also a good question. Then find A cube minus B cube. I suppose to write. A minus B equal to 7, A square plus B square equal to 85. Then find the value of A cube minus B cube. Then squaring on both sides. A square plus B square minus 2AB equal to 49. This value is 85. So 85 minus 2AB equal to 49. Or 85 minus 49 equal to 2AB. Or this value will be 636. Okay, by 2 equal to AB, or then AB equal to 80. Clear? AB we have got. It is asking find the value of A cube minus B cube. You take the cube of this. A minus B whole cube equal to 7 cube. So A cube minus B cube minus 3AB, A minus B equal to 7 cube. 343. Okay. Then you write here A cube minus B cube minus 3 into what is value of AB? 18. 3 into 18 into 7 equal to 343. Or A cube minus B cube equal to 343 plus 3 into 18 into 7. Clear? Then you can get value. You will simplify. You can get the value. Or 18 3 is 54. So 343 plus 378. Then 721. This is clear? So in this way you will try to solve the exercise. If you have doubt any, you can ask. After that I will start the new chapter.